Welcome, my name is Eliza and today I'm going to do some gesture drawing. And I'm really bad at drawing people, and I used boxes and circles to represent people, and well, it didn't really get me where I wanted to be. So now I try to follow a tutorial, and I did, and it's a tutorial by Love Life Drawing. These 10 shapes unlock all of figure drawing. I'll put a link down below. And basically he talks about a few simple basic shapes, the rib cage and the pelvis and the collarbone, the neck. Okay, so 4 lines. The head, a circle, and the chin. Overlapping the head. The arms attached to the shoulder, so to the collarbone. And then tapered down the hand. And the other one as well. And it doesn't have to be perfect, it's just to help you. And the legs are kind of stuck in here. And then just these lines to show you that it's a bend always. So just a little color. Just to show what's what. And in here is the abdomen, the arms, the chin, the upper arm, and the legs. And you see that I drew it in here as well, because that's where it moves. So these are the basic shapes I'm going to use when I'm doing my gesture drawing. So I went to freepik.com, and Freepik is a website just like Unsplash, where you can find unlicensed pictures of people you can use in your artwork or whatever you want. So there's no problem in it. So I'm going to try and draw a few yoga poses. Why yoga? Because they are often quite intricate. And I start with this first pose. And her shoulder, you can see what the position of the shoulder is. And you see that I'm just using these basic shapes. And that I am just using this as a first try, and the goal is just to draw people very quickly. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just a way to practice. Just to see the pose. this one. And I'll just keep on looking for other poses. And you can use this to draw almost anything, he said, so as long as it's from the front, so let's see if it's true. Too close to the edge of my sketchbook. And that's true. I like to start with the pelvis because it's really difficult for me. And you see, these are sketches of 1, maybe 2 minutes. So join me and go to Pinterest or FreePic and choose a few pictures that you want to use to improve yourself. That's the second one. Third one already. And the goal is not to make beautiful pieces, but to find out what the shapes do in a body. And a little circle over here shows you where the chin will be. The only thing is, the way I draw it now, I can't really see if it's a man or a woman, but it'll at least give me an idea of the pose. And that's what my goal is at the moment. I did not find the pictures beforehand, so I'm just looking at them as we go. And I think it's all still a bit off, but I'm getting way better than I was. Let's fill the other page as well. And let's do one more. Maybe I can even fit in 2 on this page. Let's try to fit in 2. It was a bit too short. And again the hand near her face. So hopefully you get better results than I get, but at least I'm getting somewhere. And the last one. Please tag me in your pictures because I'm really curious of what you made. Because to be honest, I think this is quite difficult to do. So hopefully you're better at it than I am. And here I am. So 5, 6, 7, 8 poses in 15 minutes while explaining this. So a maximum of 2 minutes per pose, including the search of the pictures. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and join me the next time I'm drawing, painting or bullet journaling.